Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been inactive for quite a while. That's because I haven't really been picking up sneakers or doing anything, which is why the video that I do today has to be that much more special because it's likely the last unboxing that I'm going to be doing in Bombay. And for that, I've picked up the Salehe Crocs Pollex Clogs. The surprising thing is that I saw on Instagram that these had heavy demand overseas. There were people queuing up, not hitting on pairs and going on resale. But lucky for me, I was able to sort out a pair through the folks at SuperKicks India. And they were actually easier to acquire out here than it probably was elsewhere. Starting off, you have your Pollex. Now I think Pollex is like your thumb or an index finger. I don't really know. But what Salehe has done is all through his collabs, even with New Balance and so on, he's used his fingerprint to derive the design. So that's where this comes from. There you have the Crocs branding, Salehe Bembury. You can see the Crocs text as well has that texture. And here it says the Pollex. This somewhat reminds me of the Merrell footwear that I've been seeing on Instagram as well. And I had to get it, but I'm gonna accept. Of the three colorways that dropped this time, there was the green, the white, and the lilac. I don't know what the exact names are, but if the green was a little more deeper, like a little bit of an olive green, I would have gone for that. And the white color, the Stratus, I think that's what it's called, somehow wasn't my vibe. So I decided to go with, bam, the Mauve mist pair. This one's the lilac pair. I don't know if you can tell from the color. You can, I guess. It looks kind of grayish on the video. But this is the lilac pair. So let me get this out and take you through the details. This is likely the first time that a collaboration has had an entirely new design, because all of the other Crocs collabs that have happened have mostly been just colorways or themes or materials added on to the existing clog. But in this case, the entire upper has been changed out. And so as the lower, now this is where you see that fingerprint kind of design going on there. If you can tell, like on the lid of the box. And that carries over throughout this clog, and that's the upper. Now the only place that I see the standard Crocs design is on the insole. So that design hasn't changed at all. It's still the same as on any other Crocs. But otherwise, overall, they'd have to probably make another mold for all of these pairs because there's nothing that they have in common with your OG Crocs clog. I know that these straps are detachable. I just need to figure out how they work because, like you can tell, this has like a heel counter as well. So unlike on other clogs where you have your normal mode and your race mode, I guess you can wear these even without the strap. A few interesting details, like you have this rubber detailing right here on the heel and on the forefoot where you'll see a lot more wear. And that carries on over to the toe. So unlike your regular clogs, unlike your regular Crocs clogs, which have like a standard grip, this specific pair has that integrated in, and it's a lot more firmer and it feels a lot more durable than the rest of the clogs. Now this material is like any other EVA upper. It's soft, but it's not as bouncy or cushiony. I tried these on. And if I were to compare them with the Foam Runner have a lot more comfort on them. These I'd say are close to any other Crocs that you would own, despite the tooling looking a little different. And of course you have your cutouts right there. You see all these gaps from where your feet can breathe. Even when it comes to the most intense of activities, it's like, sorry babe, the Crocs stay on. Oh, and the most important thing about sizing, you gotta go a full size down. Now I don't know if Crocs made half sizes, but I usually wear a UK 8 or a US 9. And with this pair, I got a UK 7, which is a US 8, an entire size down. But I still feel it's a little looser than what I'm normally used to. So probably a 6.5 would have worked, but I don't think they do half sizing. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but we didn't get half sizing in India. The clog kind of fits a little loose, so that's something you got to be aware of. I'm not sure if you don't sock it how it's going to feel, but with socks they kind of work. Let me compare these side by side with my dirtier Beans Crocs. I'll have a link to this video right here. Now you see that the strap on the heel counter right there is very similar to the one that is on this pair. You have your Crocs branding there, This one says Crocs and it says Salehe, of course, on that heel counter. And you have these adjustable Velcro straps. What else can I talk to you about? That's it, I guess. I'm now going to slip these on feet and show you what I'm going to probably be looking like all through monsoon. Y'all are likely not going to believe this, but today is the 30th and I went into the store at Super Kicks and got myself a second pair because it's just that easy to get by walking into a store here. And what I need help with is deciding which pair to keep because I really have no use for two pairs of Crocs. So let me know in the comments, is it the lilac pair, which I think is more wearable, or is it the green pair? I mean, it somehow really gets your attention and it pops so hard. So help me decide, let me know. Thanks for staying all the way to the end, you guys. I think I missed telling you that there's a little bit of Salehe's branding, own branding, his name as in his name, on these clogs. So you have them right there on the insole, you have them on the clips right here, and you also have them on the back of these adjustable straps. And that's it for this video. Let me know, were you able to cop a pair for yourself? Which color of the three do you prefer the most? And would you be rocking these through monsoon or not? I'll see you in the next one. Peace.